There are three things you need in order to use the law of attraction effectively. There's a great book called The Secret, right? And in this book, they introduce the idea of the law of attraction. I will be doing a review on that book. Check out the playlist, read and review for other books that I recommend. Now, the law of attraction in the mindset realm is pretty popular, but it's been watered down. Basically, it states that you attract what you think of most, what you focus on. But I'm going to show you how to use the law of attraction. So to people who don't fully understand this concept or are just introduced to this concept, it seems unreal, right? Oh, I just think about $1 million and I'm a millionaire. Yeah, no, it's not that simple, although it is that simple. You become what you think about most, and what you think about, you bring into fruition. And with the law of attraction, what happens is whatever you focus on focuses on you. There is no impossibilities. Even if you haven't seen this yet, it's still working its way to you. Everything is possible through the power of your mind. So what you focus on, if you have a complete and steadfast, honest focus on it, it's focusing on you. And as you work towards it, it's working towards you. Therefore, it doesn't have to take forever for you to get that house, to get that job, to get that type of money, to get that spouse, that man or woman, to get whatever it is that you're working towards if you're focused on it, right? Now, how do you focus on it? How do you use the law of attraction for your benefit? Because here's the thing. The subconscious mind does not have that definitive right or wrong, true or false. It doesn't perceive that. All it perceives is the focal point. So if you're thinking about what not, then what not is going to come, right? If you're thinking about what is and what you want, then what you want is going to come. Now, how to use it? There are three things you need in order to use the law of attraction effectively. One, you have to ask. Think about what it is that you want. No matter how far-fetched, remember, there is no such thing as impossible. So no matter how far-fetched it may be, think about what you want, just put it out there, okay? That's the first step. If you ask, you shall receive. The second step, and possibly the most difficult, is you have to believe. Now that you've asked for it, you've put it out there, you're speaking it into existence, now you have to believe that you will actually receive what it is that you're asking for. And see, if you don't believe it, it's like, why should you have it then? How can you say that you deserve it? Whoever's going to provide this to you, if you don't believe that they can provide it for you, why should they go out their way to provide it for you? That's how God works. That's how the universe is working. You have to believe that you will receive whatever it is that you ask for. That's the second step. The third step is actually receiving this. We all know God works in mysterious ways. Whatever you're asking for, you could be receiving it and don't acknowledge it. You have to keep an open mind and an open eye to actually receive what it is that you're asking for. And that is why you have to be specific. Be specific about what it is that you want. So many people are vague in their descriptions, like, I want a new car, I want a new house, I want a new boyfriend or girlfriend. And these things come, and so often we get disappointed. Not that car, not like that. Oh, I still got to work on that. Not that person. Oh, I don't like their flaws. Okay, well, be specific. Be very specific about what it is that you want. Otherwise, you're going to keep on getting stuff until you can narrow it down and being specific about what it is that you want. Now, God and the universe will always provide whatever it is that you want. You got to be specific when you pray. You got to be specific when you ask, when you speak these things out. Now, the other side of that is you also have to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Let me explain. It is so easy to be like, I don't want that type of person. I don't want that type of car. I don't like that color. I don't like that type of hair. I don't like these circumstances. I don't like that color pattern. I don't like this area or this neighborhood. I don't like. Remember, the subconscious mind has no merit of right or wrong. It's simply going to provide what the focal point is. So when you say, I don't like X, it gets rid of the don't like. It just sees X. I don't want to fail. Failure will come. I don't want to lose. You will lose. Because that's the focal point. Now, when you change it to, I want to win, I want to succeed, now we're focusing on what you actually want. Let's not focus on what you don't want. Focus on what you do want. And using all of these things, clarifying all of these things will benefit you and showing you how to effectively use the law of attraction. You have to ask, think about what you want, believe that you will receive it, and then receive it. This your man Trayvon Pratt with AIM, always improving the mind. Much love to everyone who's here. Thank you for supporting. I want to hear from you. What are some things that you would like to know? What are some issues that you have? What are some challenges that you've gone through when it comes to improving that mindset of yours? And I'll give you all the gems that I can. Much love. See you on the next one.